Merely 1 week ago, a hectic morning for multiple state-line schools, scaring entire communities after reports of an active shooter were deemed to be a hoax. Last Wednesday, we had our extended team coverage on scene at East High School, checking in with parents and students who were surprised and frightened at the potential reality of a school shooter threatening their lives. However, some students were also not shocked because of the tragic reality that school shootings have become more and more common across the nation. And although some time has passed, the experience continues to leave a lasting impression on everyone. Our 13 WREX's Dylan Valencia is live at East High School in Rockford. Dylan, I understand a lot of groups came together to support the community these past couple of days. What kind of help did you see that they're providing students and their families to sort of make sense of what happened these past few days?
Yeah, Manny, well, a lot of students and staff are still grappling with what happened here just 1 week ago today. And that event is stirring up a lot of emotions, which is why I spoke to mental health professionals across our area to see the services that are provided for them. Fear, anxiety, worry, and stress, leaving many grappling for words in what several thought was an active shooter situation.
High schoolers anyway, they're already experiencing a lot of anxiety, stress just with everyday, stressors of being a high school student. So this can absolutely exacerbate those stressors, those fears, those worries that, they may have.
Although this was a swatting incident, the mere stress of believing it is real for minutes or even hours can have a lasting impact. Local mental health professionals sharing how it can even affect parents.
You might see the flip side, not just kids being resistant to going, but families being unwilling to send them because now they're also worried about that.
The important thing to remember is that even in the chaos, help is available. One local volunteer group has brought their therapy dogs into courtrooms now for over 9 years. But over the last 2 years, bringing them into schools to calm students, especially as shooting threats become more and more of an issue.
When we walk down a hallway in a school, the kids kind of swamp to a dog like a bee on honey. They love to pet the dogs. It kind of puts them in a relaxed mode.
Meet Remy, entering schools to ease anxieties, and was also readily available to bring aid to those students at East High.
When I received a call from the mayor's office and then 10 minutes later from the principal, I simply put an email out to my people. I had 7 dog teams there the very next day. I had an answer back within an hour and a half.
Mental health providers sharing it's important to have hard conversations about this.
Instead of treating it as something that is taboo and we need to not talk about it because if we talk about it, we're going to speak it into existence. I think having the conversations and being really truthful with them that, this is a serious thing and how do we emotionally prepare? How do we talk about plans?
And Rosecrans wants to remind local families that they have resources available, especially when it comes to crisis-type situations and even long-term support. So if you or your loved ones are struggling with mental health issues related to this event or even long-term ones, you can reach out to them. They also offer 24/7 emergency screening services. And for more information, you can visit rosecrans.org. For now, in Rockford, I'm Dylan Valencia with 13 WREX.